Hey guys, it's your boy Dasher VR. I know this I won't post for another 2 weeks, but I just been playing fan games. And yeah. So today we're gonna be showing you how to play Project Roasted. So I really want everybody to see how to play this. This is a fun game. It's better than Project Tron. Project Tron is like disabled. No more that. No more other stuff. You need to download this one. This is the best one you will see your entire life. So I would actually kind of download this. Please. And give me a lot of likes. What the? Okay, did you hear that in the background? Sorry. So yeah, look, they got this fake mod stick. I did do an application for moderator. I hope I get it. Look, even got Look, they also even got this. There's internet wildcracker. Huh? Oh, what? I need. Give me that. What the? You even got this. Nah, bro. We need this meat, bro. My meat. Okay? I can have my meat. I'll beat you with it. But yeah, I really like this game. It's called Project Roasted. And I'll show you how to download it. And please, everybody, watch this, please. Because if you do, I want to get 25 likes. If you could do that for me, I would be happy. 500 views and 25 likes, I'll send it to the owner, and I would be happy. So now I'm going to show you, and let's get on with it. So you want to search up the Roasty Tag. That's how I just searched up. But then you have to be by Roasty, okay? It should show this thing. Yep, and then you want to go download. I already downloaded it, so I don't need to. So you need CX File Explorer or Mobile VR Station. So when you get to that, I'll go Mobile VR Station because half people don't even know how to get it on Mobile VR Station. No, not CX File Explorer. Sorry for the stutter. Again, 2 times. Okay, so I'm gonna sit down. Don't mind me, cause I'm. Okay, continue. So you want to go to? I'm pretty sure this one. No. So you want to go? Okay, ready? You want to go to local files? No. You want to go to local files? International? No. Which one? All folders. Oh my God. Android data. Self storage actions. Step 1 request. So now just find where is it? See, Project Roasted right here. It has to be whatever one you just picked. So now download it. Now you have to go to unknown sources, and you got it. And if you have SideQuest, I'm pretty sure you can find it on there too. What? Okay. Just search up Roasty Tiger Roast Project Roasty. No, Roasted. Why do I keep saying Roasty? I also did application for mod. Let me put Project Roasted. Nope. Now I'm pretty sure you use Roasty. Yeah, you can't. You can only do it on edge.io. Sorry, I don't have regular SideQuest. So it's kind of sucky for me right now. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, FNAF room is my favorite right now. I got the Bart Simpson room. Yeah, it's not on here. Oh, not that. Then you got Project Roasted. But I have to tell you some rules they have to do. So you don't get banned or nothing, okay? So I hope I don't get in trouble for this. But your name cannot be Gorilla. It messes with the play fab, so I name myself GG. I just don't want none of you guys get in trouble. I want you guys to have fun. This game is really fun. Where did it? Why is it down there? Yeah. Okay, never mind. So, I hope, please give me a 500 views or 25 likes, and I'll make probably another next video. But so yeah, it's like the mods you already know what to have. But please subscribe, please like and subscribe, and bye everybody. You know what? Ready? Bye. Why can't I turn off? Oh, yeah, just don't mind all this. You don't have to look at this. I forgot. I don't even know what I said bye. But yeah, I'm just gonna join random infections right now.
You're the.
Yep.
How did you get long arms? Use
Steam.
Yo, you wanna look behind? Look.
You can't use like certain mods in public servers. So you know, I know it's not like it's not like
Wait, did he mod the game?
it's not like this game.
Yeah, he did that. He did this. Yeah, he did that. He did this. You did good. Spider. 25 likes to get it. So you need to get like 20 likes. Can someone teach us how to play the game on TikTok? I don't use TikTok because my mom is mad. Can someone teach us how to play the game?
My boy's rap using plats. That's trippy.
Someone has a finger peanut badge. Wait,
Yeah, I hope I get that. Yo, easiest way to get tied, bro. Now I'm going crazy. Oh yeah, you're wondering.
wait, Taco, come here. Taco, come here.
I'm just using mod, using muscle boost. You just don't use it. Just don't use it. Just don't use the mod I'm using. I'm just using them just for this video. If I get banned, I'm sorry, Roasty.
Can we join in a private
And bye, everybody.
It's gonna be my name.